Hey, what's up, Tron Holler? So this is the latest update of TRX, my brother, and absolutely this is very urgent because holders doing very big mistake, my brother. So therefore, I make this video especially for a new holder who cannot understand. So this is selling time, buying time, or buying time. Especially the holders doing very big mistake. You see here last 1 hour, last 7 days chart change occur, and last you can see last 1 day change occur. So these three changes you can see here the last 7 days change occur will be negative in the loss, my brother. So why the main reason, what's the reason, and what's the prediction again of coming time? There is a chance to them moving upward or not, my brother. So let's see. First of all, my brother, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Absolutely, if you subscribe this channel, heaviest stake channel will guide you, my brother. So the last 3 days chart is on the screen. You can see here, my brother. At this time, you can see here the second this month, my friend, especially in the June. You can see here June 1 to June 3, my friend. You can see here the chart is on the screen and they're completely positive, and it's you can see here this time 12.33% moving upwards. So it's mean to they are in the profit now, my brother. So this time the highest change occurred, you can see here 0.07 the price is 0.07 USD dollar. And as you can see here this time, my brother, if we check out the last 1 hour chart, then absolutely we understand to what is going on in the current time. All holders are doing this mistake, and this time to this starting selling. Definitely if you're starting selling, you are doing very big mistakes. So try to understand, don't sell it. Remember, in the start of month every graph you can see spells down, but definitely they are starting moving upward. So it's mean to they are in the profit, you can see here. And the main reason is that to them moving upward, to especially holders don't sell it. Absolutely, if holders starting selling, then they fails down. And every graph you can see spells down in the current times. Holders starting selling in the start of month, so therefore this is spells down. But try to understand, holder, my brother, this is not a selling time because they are in the profit. So please, my prediction is that to upcoming time there is also moving upward. The change occur will be positive now. So you know, if you are starting, if you are holding, absolutely the price will be double. They can give you 3x change occur, my brother. So you know, please follow this follow what I talk to you. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. I just is a brother advise you. Please follow ABS channel. I hope you never lost. I will give you 100% guarantee you never lost if you follow ABS channel. Thanks for watching, holder. Please, my opinion is that to don't sell it, hold it. And what's your opinion? Please share me in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.